Welcome to the final assembly hall, where the next generation of Chinook helicopters takes shape. The precision here is unmatched.
The timer is set.
Noted. Keep an eye on the temperature differential.
In this climate-controlled environment, the automated cutter precisely slices the carbon fiber prepreg.
Guided by laser projectors, the team carefully lays sheets of carbon fiber prepreg, using specialized tools to compact the material and ensure precision.
The vacuum is pulling tight. I'm getting a good seal here. Gauges are green, ready for transfer.
Okay, push it tight against the frame right there. Got it. Got it. Hand me another fastener.
We need to verify this connection point on the schematic.
It routes through the main harness bundle right here.
Set the torque to 60 foot-pounds. 60 foot-pounds and locked.
Bearing race installed. I'm getting a good reading with the bore gauge. We are ready for the gears.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment pins.
Steady on the left, steady.
Receive, coming down slow. A little to the left, slow down.
Copy that. We're coming left.
We are aligned on the targets. Easy now, easy. Keep it coming down right there.
Looks aligned on the laser tracker.
All right, bumping it into the cradle.
Bring station 4 right 5 thousandths.
5 thousandths right, confirmed.
Reading green, lock it down.
Make sure you have enough clearance on that ECS duct.
Yeah, we're about 50 millimeters out. Pull the rope slowly, watch the alignment on the left side.
I'm watching it. Keep pushing, we're almost past the frame.
Torque on this side is complete.
Secure, harness checks out.
Cyclic movement is smooth and responsive. Okay, tighten the torque wrench until it clicks. Got it. 3 clicks heard and secured.
The final structural closures are underway. Quality control meticulously checks every rivet and fastener.
Almost there, just a little more to the left. Okay, the bolt is engaged. Hitting it now. That's good.
Approaching the bay now. Easy on the tag lines.
Confirmed. Clear to proceed.
Hold the descent, we need a slight adjustment port side.
Okay, it's aligned.
Inserting the main bolt now.
Okay, easy now, a little to the left. Copy that. Coming left. Looks good, set it down.
Clear on your side?
Yes, the alignment looks good. Secure the forward latch. Watch your side, coming down slow.
Alignment looks perfect. Engaging the first bolt.
Hold it right there, we're lined up.
All right, I'm putting the first bolt in now. Hand me the impact wrench.
Lower it slowly, watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Okay, it's settling now. Get the torque wrench ready.
We're good here, steady.
That's the calibrated limit right there.
Acknowledged. All bolts are secured on this coupling.
The installation of the main flight display is a critical step, ensuring all harnesses are correctly routed before final power-up.
Check J3 connector, pins 12 through 15.
Confirmed. All seated and torqued.
Torque on this bearing is set.
Links are secured and moving freely.
Swash plate movement is smooth.
The torque sequence is complete on the pitch link.
Let's verify against the maintenance manual now.
Okay, easy on the alignment, bring it down slow. Splines are engaged, it's seated.
Hand me the torque wrench, please.
Actuators are fully secured and torqued to specification.
Confirmed on the checklist. Engaging the locking pin now for the manual check.
And with this lever, the flat surface converts instantly to the roller deck configuration. It's ready for the cargo pallets.
Is the extinguisher secure?
Yes, the bracket is tight. We still need to mount the crash axe.
Fuel pressure check initiated. Levels are rising steady in the cockpit.
Roger that. No leaks detected on the fuselage. System secure.
Main bus 1, engaged. Check the readings on panel 7.
Reading 28 volts. Steady. Continuity confirmed.
The BIT is complete. All flight management systems showing green.
Confirmed. Radar and navigation checks out.
Pitch is reading 0.3 degrees high. Adjust starboard linkage.
Roger that. Making the adjustment now.
Roger, lowering the blades now.
Steady, easy does it. Watch the alignment on the grip. We're in. Send the pin.
All right, easy back. Hold it right there. That looks centered.
All tags removed. Flight controls checked.
Gearbox oil level inspected, secured.
All right, crew, looking good. Clear to start engines.
Ground to cockpit. Tracking complete. Alignment confirmed.
Copy. Initiating hydraulics test now.
We are stable at 5 feet.
We had intermittent pressure warnings on the starboard engine during the high G turn.
The telemetry shows a spike right here. I'll cross-reference the logs.
Check the fuel flow anomaly at the same timestamp.
And the sight lines for the instruments are calibrated.
Absolutely.
See the certification here in the manual?
Congratulations, Colonel. We are proud to deliver the aircraft on schedule.
Thank you. It's a fine machine.
Steady now. Hold for the dip.
Ramp is set. Moving down.
Ropes away. I'm on the fast rope.
Clear left. Moving to position.